All right, time for some Tuesday birthdays here in the 4 states. We begin in Oswego with Brogan Royer, who celebrated his 10th birthday on Monday. Looks like he did it in style, though, there with Santa. Brogan, a happy belated birthday to you.
And we have Nolan Sparks turning 12 in Baxter Springs.
We've also got Rylan Herlocker turning 12 over in Girard. Rylan, a happy birthday.
Zane Imhoff turned 18 in Pittsburgh, Kansas.
And we got Ricky Edwards in Frontenac celebrating birthday number 22, and this comes with love from Mom and the family.
Casey Carr turned 28 in Moron, Kansas.
Shayla Kellogg celebrated birthday number 30 on Monday in Columbus. Shayla, happy birthday.
Michael O'Ballion turned 36 in Kansas. Happy birthday to my baby boy from your mama. His birthday was also on Monday.
We also have Brooke Powell celebrating birthday number 40 with wishes from your mom and dad. We love you. Happy birthday, Brooke.
Lenny Harvey turned 76 in Benedict, Kansas.
Galen Higgins celebrating a birthday on Monday in Joplin. Galen, happy birthday.
Jared and Laura is celebrating their 9th anniversary in Jasper, Missouri.
And we've also got Clyde and Jenny Stallings celebrating their 45th wedding anniversary in Joplin.
Ben Dager also celebrating in Columbus, Kansas.
As well as Todd Layson celebrating in the bus. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all of you. Now, to help contribute to this amazing list, Amber's going to tell you what you need to know.
You can just submit birthdays to our email at birthdays@komtv.com, or you can submit the birthdays at komnewsnow.com.
And while you're at our website checking in on all the latest neat things it has to offer, you can sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some cool deals from local businesses. You also get a birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to komnewsnow.com excuse me, and sign up for the Birthday Club today. You can celebrate the Birthday Club too, in case anybody hasn't noticed. It's cold outside.